everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Scandal from the 26th to the 30th of July 2021 on Monday. Boniswa gets suspicious when Gorbachev doesn't want to do what she wants. Zinzile leaves Mlungisi with a bombshell of her own on Tuesday. Boniswa sniffs potential treasure in a man's past and goes fishing. Not everyone is thrilled about the exciting new changes in Mlungisi's life on Wednesday. Boniswa executes a risky plan to get her hands on Mamba's money. Nonzi continues to manipulate, but she goes too far and might have risked everything. Lindiwe and Tlamulo make plans for the future on Thursday. A father finally stands up for his son while another child's existence is questioned. A woman uses an imminent death to ensure herself a proposal on Friday. Judging that the time is right, Boniswa begins to take away everything that Mamba loves. Zinzile bust Nonzi's one trick and Nonzi devised another trick more daring. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.